everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys the inserts we will be getting this Sunday. So please keep in mind that some of you guys might get these, some of you guys don't. I know exactly what coupons I will be getting, and I know what coupons I won't. So please pay attention, because I see some people are like, well, I never got those. Like if you guys have been couponing for a while, like I have, you kind of know what you will and will not get. But I'm here to share with you guys what we will be getting in some of these inserts. If you guys really need some of those coupons and you know you don't get it, there are some services out there that does let you, pay per coupon. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up on that. But it looks like we'll be getting 2 inserts, one Smart Source and one Red Plum, or what they now call Retail Me Not. I just Google, inserts for whatever date, and the first site that pops up is what I click on. So we got Mula Saving Mom, and I've used her before. So here is what is coming out. So we got $4 off Allegra, $1 off any Revlon Color Silk hair dye, Bosch & Lomb Chex Mix, 50 cents off of 2. We're getting Colgate mouthwash, 50 cents. Coupons, those are not the greatest. Hopefully you guys were able to print the coupons.com one where it's $5 off of 3, because that's an awesome coupon. $1.50 off of 1 Dr. Grip pens. Now please keep in mind, look at that. That doesn't expire until 10/15. So if you guys can get school supplies super cheap, that's a great deal. $1 off of Drano, $1 off of Edge. Evian, Fiber One bars, Honey Made graham crackers, 75 cents off of 2. And then we have Johnson Baby, 2 off of 1 and 1 off of 1. So those are great coupons. It looks like one expires right away and the other one it will expire later on. Nasacort, Nivea, OxyClean. We got $1 off 1, 50 cents off of 1, $1 off of 1. And most likely there might be coupons to print on coupons.com. I know I never get OxyClean, but there's that. Then we're getting $1 off the Pilot pens, $1 off of 1. Now we already have some already that we got in our inserts, like I think 2 months ago, that they don't expire till September, so we are getting more, and those don't expire till October, which is awesome. So I'm hoping to get some great deals on pens on clearance. We got Revlon hair dye, Schick disposable razors, $3 off of 1, $2 off of Schick Hydro Quattro, and then $2 off Schick Intuition. And then we're getting Sunsweet, Tom's of Maine, $1, $1.50, and $2.50 off of 2. Zyzol, so that is what's going to be in the Smart Source. And then the Retail Me Not, we got Advil, $2 off Centrum. We're getting $1 off, $1.25 off Dove, 2 off of Dove, 2 Emergency Flonase, Garnier hair dye, Advil, baby Advil, $2 off of that. I really like that coupon. I'm hoping there's some good deals out there for it, because it feels like it's been a long time since we've got some deals on children's Advil, baby Advil, Dime Tap, and all that stuff. Then we got $3 off of 2 L'Oreal Paris Shampoo Conditioner, 2 off of 1, 2 off of 1. Then we're getting Perrier Juice, Carbonated Mineral Water, Preparation Aches, Purex Crystals, we got $1 off of 1, and then Purex 4-in-1 packs, $1 off of 1. And then we have 50 cents Pure Off Crystals in Wash Boosters, and then 50 cents. So there's those. Quilted Northern, Robitussin, Thermacare, Vaseline Lotion, $2 off of 1. So those are what is going to be in the inserts that we will be getting this Sunday. I kind of know what I will be getting, and I know what I won't be getting. I probably won't get about half of these. Maybe even 3/4 of them. That's how bad my inserts are. But then they surprise us with some other items too. But just wanted to share with you guys kind of what majority of everybody's getting. I just want to say thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.